Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off friends quest in the Duolingo app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Duolingo app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our course. From here we just have to go into the profile menu. Then tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, scroll down, and then under general we find friends quest. Now if we tap on this toggle button, we can turn this off or back on just that easily. And yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. So yeah, well, you can just turn this off if you don't want to have quests with your friends, or if you made up your mind, you can turn this back on. Anyways, that's it.